Good morning children, I am Preeti Kumar. In today's session we will learn about the third chapter, Word Processor Tabular Presentation. So what we are going to learn in this chapter, Microsoft Word offers a flexible feature of presenting information in tabular form. In this chapter you will learn to create, modify and format table to present the data in an effective manner. What is a table? A table consists of rows and columns. The vertical division of table is called column and the horizontal division is called a row. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. Every cell of the table usually contains data. So let us see how to create a table. So first method, go to the insert tab. This is the insert tab. Click the table option. From the tables group, this is the tables group, a drop down menu appears. Click the insert table option. This is the first option, first method by which we will create a table. The insert table dialog box appears. Enter the number of columns and number of rows in the dialog box. So let's see, as soon as you click on this dialog box will appear. Now here you can enter the number of columns. It is asking how many columns you want and how many rows. So suppose I need 4 columns and 4 rows. So I can type 4 rows and say OK. So this way you can see we have 4 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4 rows. So this way you will get the table on your blank page document. Now the second method is, again we'll go to insert tab, tables group. This is the tables group. Then table option. As soon as you click, the drop down menu will come. Now select and click the number of boxes. See, this is the grid. So with the help of grid line you can select the correct, make the table. So when you move from left to right, you see these represents the column numbers. 6 into 1 means 1 row and 6 column. Just now I have selected. If I need only 4 rows, 4 columns, then I can go to 4. Then if I come down, suppose I say 4 rows, I want 4 rows in my table. So simply I come down and choose 4 rows from here. So this way, with the help of grid lines, you can create a table. Now this is the first method, method 1. Then this is the method 2. Now we'll see the third method. What is the third method? Again you click on the insert tab, tables group, table button. Then you can draw a table with your own. So just I am going to click on it and you see your cursor will change into pen and pen shape. You just make a rectangle, square, whatever you want, how many rows and columns you need. So now you can draw according to your needs. Simply just make a line and create a table this way. So here we have used draw table option. Suppose in case you want to remove this any row or column. So there is a, in the design tab, eraser tool is there, and simply you just erase whatever you don't want, the line which you don't want, row or column, you can erase from here. Now come back to the insert tab. Now entering data. How do we enter data in R? Here let me write method 3. So we have learned 3 methods to insert table. Now see children, first is through the insert option, then second with the grid lines, and third with the draw table. If you see, insert table, draw table, and then one more is left, that is quick table. So this is the 4th method. Let us go, click on insert, tables group, table option, and then we say quick table. So here you will get the template, built-in template, and you can choose any of your choice. Suppose I want this one. So now the table is already here, only you can fill up your own data in it. So this is the method to create a table.